How to reset USAA Bank online banking password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset the password of your USAA online banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. And after you open up your web browser, simply search for USAA Bank. Then head over to its website. You can directly go to usaa.bank/banking as well. After you do that, you can then tap on your login button on the top right. Then here on the online ID, type in your online ID, or you can just head over to this I need help logging on as well. After you're here, you will see this option that says reset my password. Tap on that and it will prompt you to this page. So right here, what you'll need to do is enter your online ID or USAA number, then your country code, and then your phone number finally, and they will send you a text of a reset link, and you can reset your password. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.